So in today's video, I'm just going to show you quickly how to install an app onto your phone and Apple Watch, which will allow you to see your conversations and use WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. So the app in question is called WatchChat 2. So we would just have to download that from the App Store. Already got it installed on my device. So if I head over to the app there, you can see it presents you with the instructions on how to link your WhatsApp to your Apple Watch. So it tells us to open the WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. So if I head over to the WhatsApp app on my Apple Watch, you can see it presents us with a QR. So I will go to WhatsApp, you go to your settings, you go to link devices, and then I'll click on link a device. So now you're presented with the scan QR code screen. Just get rid of the message that pops up. You just hover the phone and it'll scan the code and tell you it's logging in. And then once it's logged in, it will show you that it's now connected. It comes up as Safari, macOS, and it'll tell you it is active. So if you click on it, you can see it's active. It gives you a link location, and then you can log out of the device. If we head over to the app on the watch, you can see it'll have pulled all your conversations. You can go into each conversation, scroll through previous messages. You have multiple ways of replying. You can use the built-in keyboard in the app itself. You can download additional keyboards. You can reply using dictation, swipe. The only thing is you can't use the built-in keyboard on watchOS 9 for the Series 7. It tells you to finish entering the text on your iOS device. If you head over to the bottom of the app on the watch, you can go to settings. You have a bunch of different settings here. You can change audio, change voice, message volume, you can change the chat font size, you can change the keyboard layout, Spanish, Dutch, Italian. You can choose additional keyboards if you want to download it, so that's a separate app. That's WhatsApp connected. So that's basically how you link your WhatsApp to your Apple Watch. And on the app itself, you can alter the quick replies. They have the basics, yes, no, laughing emoji. You can add a reply on here, which you can then access from your watch. It's just a bit of further information there. That was just a quick overview. Thanks guys.